Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. This question is a polar coordinates question and short question. And I think the polar coordinates problem is the last year for 2024. No, 2025. Okay, let's look at this question. Okay, there's two polar coordinates for P and Q, and 24, 125 degree, and R, and the polar coordinate of Q is R, 255. You can check that this is 90 degree between these two. This is 24. This is 125 degree, and more. This is P. This is Q. This is the R. This is 90 degree, and the distance between PQ is equal to 26. Of course, and for part A, the angle POQ equal to 90 degree. And for part B, the R is, 26, not 24. 26. You can use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, minus 20. 10. Okay, for part C, the area of triangle OPQ equal to, this is 10. Give me 10. 1 over 2 times 10 times 24. 120 unit square. Yes, this is the answer of this question. I hope guys can enjoy this video. If you found Dr.K.Liu Math channel is useful, please subscribe my channel. Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. This question is a statistic question and combined with probability. And the following, let's look at this question because this is short question. And the table below shows the distribution of the number of boxes bought by a group of students. The number of boxes 5 to 10, and the number of students 3. H is unknown. 6, 11, 8, 5. And if a student is randomly selected from the group, then the probability that the selected student buys at most 7. At most 7 it means by the range of this one is 7 over 15. Therefore, we can set a equation for the value of H. For the number of students here is this one. For the numerator, 3 times plus H plus 6 over. The total number of persons is 3 times H times 6 plus 11 plus 8 plus 8 plus 5 equal to the probability is 7 over 15. 7 over 15. And the numerator is 9 plus H. The denominator is 33 plus H equal to 7 over 15. And then cross multiplication. This is, let me see, 135 plus 15H, and 231 plus 7H. Then it's H times H equal to 96. H is equal to 12. Okay, very good. I got the answer of H here. 12. Finally, mole, median, and standard deviation. Standard deviation, you only need to use calculator. The mole is most frequent number, which is obvious 6. It occurs 12. Therefore, the mole is equal to 6. And median, the total number of this the total number of students is the sum of this. And 33 plus 12 is 45. 45 students. The mean value is 22.5. That means that it should be the median equal to the 23 items. Therefore, let me solve and let me see 3, 12, 15 plus 6, 21, 25 should be located this one. Therefore, the median is 8. For the last part, I only use calculator. The calculator show me, tell me the answer is 1.48. It is an easy question. Okay, and this is question are very fundamental. If you will not lost any marks, you will at least get the grade 4 or above. And in this series, I also present some fundamental questions for those who want to get the grade 4 or more. Okay, but anyway, I hope you guys can enjoy this video. If you found Dr.K.Liu Maths channel is useful, please subscribe my channel. Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. This question is from one of my students, and it is a mock exam question. It is a circle equation circle problem. The problem of equation circle. And let's look at this question. And the equation of circle, this is not general form. I have to divide it into both hand side by 2. And the center is G. Then I divide it by both hand sides. X squared plus y squared minus 72 but divided by 2 is 36. 48y minus, let me see, 1242 divided by 2, 6210. And then the center G is 18 and 24. This is the center of the circle. And now let P be a moving point on the rectangular coordinates plane such that GP equal to OP. Okay, I think it is the locus is perpendicular bisector of the point OG. Therefore, I'm here. I try to figure out the locus because we don't need this equation of circle again. I only need this the center 1824, and this is O, and the locus gamma P, the locus of P is actually perpendicular bisector. Okay, for part B1, describe and okay the locus the gamma cuts the x-axis and y-axis denoted by A and B respectively. And geometric meaning of gamma and OG is perpendicular bisector. Okay, and then find the equation of gamma. I choose the method of find the midpoint. Then the midpoint here is 9, 12, and that gamma should be equal to y minus 12 over x minus 9 times the slope of OG. Slope of OG is 24 minus 0 and over 18 minus 0 equal to minus 1. I simplify this one, and y minus 12 over x minus 9 equal to negative 3 over 4. And multiply x minus 9 to the right hand side. Then I have, let me see, 6.75, and then the equation of gamma is finally we have the equation of gamma which is equal to y equal to negative 3 over 4 times x plus 18.75. Okay, this is the equation of gamma. For last part, find the equation of find the area of triangle OAB. This is find the area of this one. Then I have to find the coordinates B and A. For the A, put y equal to 0. Then x should be equal to, this is a very nice number, 25, and put x equal to 0. Then y equal to 18.75. Therefore, the coordinate A is 25, 0, and B, the coordinate B 0, 1, 18.75. The area of triangle OAB equal to 1 over 2, 25 times 18.75. The final answer is, I choose fashion as the final answer, 1075 over 8 unit square. Okay, this is a very fundamental question for the locus. I hope guys can enjoy this video. I'm here. I actually want to share some basic question for you so that you can familiarize the operation or the style of the paper 1. Okay, I hope I can tell you some many important facts. Okay, if you find Dr.K.Liu Math channel is useful, please subscribe my channel. Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. This question is from one of my students. She finished his exam. There is a question I need to present for her, and there are two solid metal hemisphere. Hemisphere is this one. Let me draw the two hemisphere. One hemisphere. I let one is R, and the other big R. Yes. This hemisphere, okay, big R, and the ratio of total surface area of small hemisphere to the total surface of large hemisphere is 60 to 25, and the radius of small hemisphere is 12. I mark this is 12. Okay, and the total surface area, the ratio equal to 16 over 25. For the small hemisphere, the total the surface area is not included the base. Total surface area 1 over 4 times pi 12 square plus pi r square. And for the large hemisphere, pi 1 over 2 times 4 times pi times r square plus r pi r square. Yes, and the denominator, after I cancel the pi and get the answer of 452, 32, and the denominator is 3 times r square, 16 over 25. Then r is equal to 15. And then find the volume of large hemisphere. The volume of large yes, larger. Okay, I just write this 4 over 3 times 1 over 2, because it is hemisphere. Pi times 15 square to the crib. This is 250 pi 2020 250 times pi cm cube. Okay, for the last part, for the second part, the two spears are melted and recased into two solid right circular cone. Please remember they are all together, melt, combine together and melt and Okay, I write a level 2. One is small cone, the other large cone. Okay, look at the radius, which is one is x, one is y. This is x, this is y. And the two melt and decay into two solid right circular cone. Denote the two circular cone by x and y. It is given that the base radius and the height of x is 9 and 30, and while the base of y is 12. This is 12. This line, the height is 30. And I also let the height of this one to be h, and the slant side L is this big capital L. Okay, then the volume of y. Let me see. Okay, I think I have to calculate the volume of x first, because the total volume, the total volume of this two should be equal to the total volume of these two, and therefore the volume of x equal to 1/3 pi line square times 30. Okay, let me check the answer here. Oh, let me see. I have checked carefully. Yeah, I check again. Yes, 8,810 pi cm cube. And then the volume of this one plus this one, 2250 pi plus 1/2/4/3 times pi 12 cube, and then should be equal to 810 pi. And here I have first calculated h, and then h, and yes, yeah. Okay, and then plus 1/3 pi 12 squared times h. Okay, let me calculate first. This is equal to 1/3 pi 12 squared. H equal to 2,592 pi. Okay. Oh, very nice. 54. H is 54. Therefore, the volume of y is equal to 1/3 pi times 12 squared times h. Oh, shit. No problem. I think it is okay. Actually, I only need to do this one. Minus this one is already, but I think I'm crazy. Okay, this is same. 2,592 pi cm cube. Okay, then next step. I have to calculate the curved surface area, because second part says that someone claims that the curved surface of y is more than 2 times the curved surface area y. Okay, I first calculate the L. L equal to this one 30 square plus 9 square. This is square root 981. And also I calculate also I have to calculate the capital L 54 square plus 12 square square root 3 at 3060. Okay, then the curved surface area of x, which is pi r. R is 9 square root 981. This is okay. This is 885 point. Okay, I correct to two decimal place. Okay, the curved surface area of y is equal to, this is should be square root of 3060. Okay. Oh, the radius also changed 12. At 2085.41. Okay, let's look back to that question. The surface area, curved surface area of y is 2 more than. Of course, it is true because you can check this times 2. If this is divided by 2, this is 1000 greater than 886. Okay, yes, the claim is true. Yes. Okay, that is finish of this this part. I hope guys can enjoy this video. If you found Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. This question is from one of my students, and it is the question from his mock exam, and this question is a question of belong to the type of polynomial, remainder theorem and factor theorem, something like that. And now let's look at this question. And fx equal to 12x times x to the power 4 plus mx to the power 3 plus n times x to the power 2 minus 61x minus 21. M and n are constant, where f is divided by x squared minus 3x minus 1. The remainder should be 34x plus 51. Okay, this is polynomial is degree 4. And the divisor is degree 2. Therefore, the quotient should be degree 2. Therefore, we can let by the given condition we have a fundamental theorem compare the degree the fx here should be equal to x squared minus 3x minus 1 times 12x squared, because the degree is 4. Therefore, the quotient should be degree 2 and plus ax plus b. Then this is quotient and a, b are constant. We don't know the constant, and you can find the constant full compare the coefficient, and plus the remainder 34x plus 51. Okay, and expand this one. I expand this one, and this is 12x to the power 4 plus ax to the power of 3 plus bx to the power 2 minus 36 to the power 3 minus 3ax squared plus minus 3bx minus 12x squared minus ax minus b plus 34x plus 51. And we arrange them in descending order. We finally got the coefficient x squared is equal to a minus 36, and the coefficient of x squared is equal to b minus 3a minus 12. Let me see. Yes, and that the coefficient x is equal to minus a. Yes, minus a, then let me see, and plus 3b, minus 3b, sorry, this is minus 3b, because I have to find all terms. I have to guarantee all the terms are sorted. Okay, the coefficient x is this 3 term, and finally the constant term is minus 51 minus b. And then now compare the constant term 51 minus b equal to 21. Then we obtain the value of b is equal to 30. And compare the coefficient x, this one, negative a minus 3b plus 34 equal to minus 61, and put b equal to 30 into the equation. I finally obtain the value of a is equal to 5. Yes, give me 5. And now the important thing is find the value of m and n. M and n, we can compare the coefficient x squared and also compare the coefficient x to the cube. Okay, n equal to b minus 3a minus 12. That means n equal to b is 30 minus 3 times 5 minus 12 equal to 3. Wow, so good. And m is equal to a minus 36. M equal to a is, let me see, a is equal to 5. That is the negative 31. Okay, finally I obtain the function of fx. I choose copy and paste and put the value m and n into that. Okay, that is the function of fx. Now for part B, so 3x minus 1 is the factor of fx. I only have to put 1 over 3 into the function, see whether it is 0 or not. But the question, if the style of this question, it should be yes. I can absolutely sure. This is we can obtain the value equal to 0. Therefore, I don't want to do any calculation, and if you need to, you can do yourself. It means DIY. Do it yourself. Okay. Therefore, you only write down yes, 3x minus 1 is a factor of fx. Now for last part, define the gx here. Fx gx equal to fx plus m. M is negative 31 plus 10 times 1 minus n is 3. 1 minus nx. Okay. Therefore, I'm here write down the function of gx. fx. Oh, I think I don't need to do anything because I can use the key or copy. And m is negative 31 plus 10 times 1 minus 3x. Okay, I think I have to factorize this function to do this, we load a factor of this one is 3x minus 1. Therefore, I use long division, very long. Because I think it is a fundamental question and a very essential question, and I can almost sure this will appear in the coming DSE question. Therefore, I think I should present this question very detailed to show you how to do this question. And first, put x 4 times x to the power 3. Okay, minus is this one minus this one is negative 27x to the power 3, and move the 3x squared to the this one, and next time I choose 9x squared, negative 7x cubed plus 9x, and then this is negative x squared minus 61x, this is 2x, negative 63x plus 21, that's finally negative 63, no, 21, negative 21. Okay, I don't write anymore, and here I don't want to worry. I only copy it. Yes, this I can this negative 21 exchange the sign of here. This plus 21 3x minus 1, and then factorize the factor 3x minus 1, and only this one. Oh, so nice that unit digit, that constant term is cancelled, and then factorize x outside. And then when gx equal to 0, let's look back to the question. Gx equal to 0 has at least one irrational roots. Therefore, I have to calculate all the roots when gx equal to 0, x equal to 0, or 3x minus 1 equal to 0, or 4x squared minus 9x minus 2 equal to x. For this one, we have to use the quadratic formula. And the first two roots are rational roots, and for the last one, x equal to 9 plus minus square root 113 over 8. This is irrational. This is two irrational roots. Therefore, the number at least one, yes, true. The claim is, I think I agree. Because two irrational roots. Okay, that's the finish of this question. I hope guys can enjoy this video. If you found Dr.K.Liu Math channel is useful. Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. This question is a statistic problem in an mock exam from one of my students, and it is a stem and leaf diagram. Below shows the distribution of age of the members of a hiking team. I like hiking, but here I cannot do that. Where a be an integer. Integer means it is a positive integer. No, non-negative, not positive. Because it can be 0. That the value of a is lie between 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here b is a value between 4 to 8. Okay. And then the mean here of the distribution is 29, and it means that sum of all terms are equal to over the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 20 data. Okay, I sum them 2A here and one line, and line 18 means 27, 13, 20, 1, 2, 7, 7, 8, 15, and add this together 7. Okay, I add the unit digit, and also I have to add the 10th digit. This 1, 2, 3, this is 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 30, and 2, 40 over the number of data is 20 equal to 29, and move them to the right 580. Here is 2A plus, sorry, I missed 3B. Here. 2A plus 3B. Also, I add that this number together. I obtain the value is 559, and move that to A plus 3B equal to 21. Here I try to obtain the combination of all possible values. If A is 3, 2, let me see. Yeah, sorry, 0, it can be 0. If A is 0, then B is equal to 7. Yes, you are 7. Okay. And A is 3, and then B is 5, and A is 6, 3. Okay, I think 6 is 3 is rejected because the B is between 4 to 8. Okay, last one, 9. 9 is 1. Okay, these two rejected. And finally, we obtain two sets of data, 0, 7, and 3,5. Okay, B, for part B. Find the greatest possible range of the value of distribution. The possible value is the 45, the greatest value, maximum value is 45, and the least is 10, because A can be 0. Therefore, the range, maximum range, is equal to 45 minus 10, which is equal to 35. Okay, C. Find the least possible interquartile range. Here, let me see that the interquartile range. Let me see. This is not. I erased it. This. But actually, the student give me has separate, because 20 data is 5 data, and 5 data. This is Q1. This is Q2. If that least, that's smallest IQR, that should be smallest, because this is fixed. This 24.5, this is 30, B should be choose 35. Therefore, IQR equal to 35 minus 24.5, 10.5. That's the solution of this question, and it is a very common question in DSE, and I hope I can share it to you, and hope guys can enjoy this video. And if you found Dr.K.Liu Maths, hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. This question is a 4 center question, which is from one of my students. She found So you cannot handle the fourth center. This question involved in the in center. Let's look at this question. I think this question is very standard, and let's look at this question now. And for a line y equal to x over 15x plus x is L. And this L cuts the x-axis and y-axis at A and B, at the 2 points A and B. And then now I calculate these 2 points. This is y equal to x over 15x plus x. And this is B. This is A. First, I calculate the coordinates of A and B. Put x equal to 0, y equal to x. Therefore, the coordinates of B is equal to 0, 0, comma x, and put y equal to 0, then x equal to negative 15. Then the coordinates of A is negative 15, comma 0. That means, okay, I write this. The length of this one is 15. The length of this one is 8. And then the coordinate, there is in center. Find the coordinate in center OAB. I think this is in center. And if you draw the figure, you can see that it's a standard question in DSE or even in HKCE, the exam of HKCE. Here I draw the center I here and draw a 2 perpendicular to x-axis and y-axis respectively. As this x-axis and y-axis are 2 tangent, there's a 90 degree between this one, and let the radius of R be R. The radius of the in circle be R. Then I draw this also. You can see that this is R, this R. Therefore, I let this point is DE. In this case, BD equal to 8 minus R, and AE equal to 15 minus R. And by the tangent properties, this is also 8 minus R, and this is 15 minus R. Therefore, I think this A, B, C, D, F. AF equal to 15 minus R, and BF equal to 8 minus R. Then the total length of this AB should be equal to 15 minus R plus 8 minus R. But on the other hand, you can calculate by using the Pythagorean theorem. This is x squared plus 15 squared. This is 17, and 23 minus 2R equal to 17. Then R is actually equal to 3. Therefore, the in center circle, the in circle should be minus 3. That's the first part of this question. And now someone claims that the ratio of the area of in square circle means this one, and or triangle AOB, and the circumcircle, this one. Okay, this is include one more center. This is circumcenter or circumcircle. Okay, you actually don't need to worry because this is 90 degree. Therefore, for the circumcircle, this is diameter. This diameter. Okay, therefore the in circle area of in circle to area of circumcircle numerator is we have calculated the radius of the in circle, which is 3. Then this pi r square. Pi r square means pi times 3 to the power 2. And as this is diameter for the circumcircle, this This one is diameter circumcircle. Therefore, the radius should be, there's 17. 17, the radius should be 8.5. Therefore, the area of circumcircle is prime times 8.5 square. Then, that is actually, by using the calculator, you can observe that 3 to the power 2 over 8.5 to the power 2. This is exactly the ratio of 36 over 289. Yes, this is the part B. Okay, I think it is a quite simple 4-center question, but which is useful because in DSE, I can recommend that. I can recommend for you. In DSE, this is a very common question in DSE. Okay, I hope guys can enjoy this video, and if you found Dr.K.Liu Maths channel is useful, please subscribe my channel.